and welcome to Developers. This is your host Ashish, and today I'm going to show you how to make a USB bootable device through a Rufus tool, which is hardly a 1 MB application. So what is a USB bootable device first of all? So you can make a USB bootable device through a pen drive, through a normal pen drive, which is 8 gig or 16 gig. It's okay how many gig it is, but it should be exceeding more than 4. So what do is you take a pen drive, you plug in and use a USB tool, and with the software you need, which you want to install on your computer, you just hit with that and it installs. So let's get started. You go to Chrome and search for Rufus. RUFUS. Simple. The first page will be from the official page. I'm going to click on Rufus. There are many other tools, but Rufus is the best one because it is very low in size, and it's quite. Well, looks like my internet is not quite fast. Okay, so here is our page of Rufus, the official download page of it. We scroll down and come here to the download section and download the Rufus 3.3, which is hardly a 1 MB application, as I told you before. Click on download. And my download starts. And as you can see, my download has completed. So I'm gonna go click, double click it. Okay, so here is my wizard to install it. So I'm gonna click on yes. Come back. So here is our Rufus installed. So okay, so from here you just need to plug in your computer, plug in your pen drive. I'll just go plug it in, and as you can see, my pen drive has been plugged in, and here there was blank first before, and now it is showing an error 404. Actually, it's not an error, it's my pen drive name. So next, what you need to do is go click on select and select the ISO image which you need to boot from the computer. So I go to software. This is where I kept my folders. Okay, I'm just click on the Ubuntu ISO image and click on open. And over here, you don't need to do anything with the partition scheme. Let it be at the defaults. And over here, BIOS menu. Obviously, you're going to install it from UEFI or BIOS menu. And over here also, you don't need to do anything. Just click on start. Click on yes. And leave it to download default drivers for it. Okay, so here you'll get the option as write in ISO mode or write in DDIMM image mode. So you're going to click on the recommended, the ISO image mode. So nothing much. Just click on OK and click on OK. So it will format all the data which is present on your disk. So it's going to take time. Okay, so the drivers has been downloaded. It took me 3 minutes 40 seconds to complete it. So I'm just gonna click on close. And what you need to do basically is when you need the software installed on your computer, you just need to click on. You don't need to click on something. You just need to restart your computer and go to your BIOS menu. Plug in this USB drive, and you'll get the option as whatever operating system you're installing. So you just need to click on that, and yes, your system will start installing it. Okay, so that's it for now. For more updates, stay tuned. This was your host Ashish, signing off.